e un chili con carne. Mais c'est pas italien, non?
Let's make chiliconcarne together. Stay tuned, please. Let the beans cook for an hour with oil and salt. Peel the onion and chop it. Slice the green chili pepper too. With complete relaxation, take the skin off the garlic and slice it. Cut the lemon in half and, like me, remove the center of tomato and start dicing. Add olive oil to a deep pan. Add all vegetables except tomato and fry well. Add coriander seeds, cumin, and paprika. Stir until the aroma of these spices is released. After that, add the minced meat and expand its texture until the meat is cooked evenly. After 5 minutes, when the minced meat color changed, add tomato paste, lemon juice, hot sauce, tomatoes to it, and mix well. Do not forget to add salt. Add cooked beans and corn to the pan. Stir continuously because we didn't add water or liquid to it, and it may settle. At the last stage, add chocolate to neutralize the spiciness of this food and give a little chocolate taste. I serve with rice, yogurt, parsley, chocolate, lemon, and chili pepper. The total cooking time of this dish was 14 minutes. Isn't it great?
Le chili con carne de monsieur.
Prove the art of Mexico to me. Thanks for watching and liking my video. Enjoy your meal.